Hey guys, welcome back to Cyber Central. Today we'll talk in depth about every new feature on the iPhone 13. Let's head into it. The 2021 iPhone 13 models are just a couple of weeks away from launching, and because we've been hearing rumors about what to expect from the new device since before the 2020 iPhone 12 models even debuted, we have a good idea of what's coming. We don't know yet the debut date for the new iPhones, but if Apple follows past event plans, the most likely target date for the event is Tuesday, September the 14th. A launch is likely to follow a week or two later. The 2021 iPhone lineup will look similar to the 2020 iPhone lineup, with 4 devices in sizes that include 5.4 inches, 6.1 inches, and 6.7 inches, with 2 of the iPhones being higher-end Pro models and 2 positioned as lower-cost, more affordable devices. Major design changes are not expected, and 2021 iPhones will have the same feature set as the 2020 iPhones, but we can count on camera improvements, a faster A-series processor, a new 5G chip from Qualcomm, increased battery life, and a tweak to the size of the notch. 120Hz ProMotion display. There were multiple rumors ahead of the launch of the iPhone 12 lineup that suggested the high-end iPhone 12 models could feature 120Hz ProMotion displays. But later in the rumor cycle, it became clear that this feature was delayed until 2021 due to battery life concerns. To implement a 120Hz refresh rate on an iPhone, Apple needs to adopt LTPO display technology, which is rumored to be happening in 2021. At least 2 2021 iPhone models will use OLED displays with low-power LTPO backplane technology, which will pave the way for 120Hz refresh rates. LTPO offers a more power-efficient backplane, which turns the individual pixels on and off on the display and allows for a better battery life. The 2 models with LTPO are expected to be the Pro models, which are the ones that are rumored to adopt ProMotion technology. Camera improvements. There are some notable camera improvements coming in 2021. Sensor shift stabilization will be expanded across the entire iPhone lineup, introducing improvements in low-light performance and stabilization by reducing camera shake, with the feature rumored to be available for both the wide lens and the ultra-wide lens of the Pro models. High-end iPhone models will get an upgraded ultra-wide camera with a 6-element lens and an improved f1.8 aperture that will let in more light than the current f2.4 aperture lens, allowing for better performance in low-light conditions. The iPhone 13 and 13 Pro Max will also include an upgraded ultra-wide camera with autofocus, an upgrade over the fixed focal length ultra-wide camera in the iPhone 12 models. The autofocus feature will allow for sharper images regardless of the distance that a subject is from the lens. Always-on display. The iPhone 13 could feature an always-on display similar to the Apple Watch, according to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman. This would presumably allow some data like the time to be shown on the iPhone's lock screen, even when it is off. 1 TB maximum storage. There have been a few sketchy rumors suggesting the iPhone 13 models will feature up to 1 TB of storage space, up from the 512GB maximum on the iPhone 12 models. This hasn't yet been confirmed by a reliable source, so we'll need to wait to see if this prediction is accurate. Reverse wireless charging. The iPhone 13 models are rumored to have a slightly bigger wireless charging coil that could result in improved heat management and higher wattage, and might also possibly enable a reverse wireless charging feature. Reverse wireless charging would allow the iPhone to charge other devices like the AirPods, and it has been rumored in the past. This rumor comes from Max Weinbach, who does not always have reliable information, so it should be viewed with some skepticism. The A15 Processor. Apple will use a 5nm Plus A15 chip for the 2021 iPhones, with the chip set to be manufactured by TSMC. We haven't heard specific details about the A15 chip at this point, but new chip designs always bring improvements in speed and efficiency. The 5G chip and Wi-Fi 6E. Qualcomm in February 2020 debuted a new Snapdragon X60 third generation 5G modem which will be used in the 2021 iPhones. Future iPhones will also use the X65 and X70 Qualcomm modem chips. Qualcomm's Snapdragon X60 is built on a 5nm process, offering high power efficiency in a smaller footprint than the X55 chip used in the iPhone 12 models. It also allows for the aggregation of 5G data from mmWave and sub-6 GHz bands simultaneously for improved speeds and coverage. Design: Apple will continue offering 4 iPhones in 2021, with no changes to the sizes, so we can expect a 5.4-inch iPhone mini, a 6.1-inch low-cost iPhone, a 6.1-inch Pro model, and a 6.7-inch Pro Max model. Rumors have suggested the iPhone 12 mini has seen lackluster sales, but Apple is still planning for an iPhone 13 mini at this time. No Touch ID. Over the course of the iPhone 13 development process, Apple tested an in-screen Touch ID fingerprint reader that would mark a major change to the biometric systems that Apple has used for flagship devices since the launch of the iPhone X, allowing for dual biometric functionality. Unfortunately, under-display Touch ID didn't make the cut for the iPhone 13 models, and Apple will instead continue to focus solely on Face ID. There will be no Touch ID fingerprint sensor in the iPhone 13. What do you think about the iPhone 13? Would you buy it? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure that you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.